Alright, in the vise here I've got the challenge lock Ready Set Go, which is RDY and then Set Go by the creator is Papa Lock, POP-A-lock. Let's give it a try here, see if we can't get it open. Little click on one, click on two, a good bit of clicking on three, some stuff around four, not really anything on five, drop some stuff with a click on one. I believe I've probably overset something. Let's redo that again. Couple clicks with some rotation on two. False set on three, feels like there's some more there. Counter rotation. There we go. Big false set. Counter rotation there with four also. Just get that. There we go. And five, and there we go. Alright. So there's that. We can get it. Alright, here we go. We got Ready Set Go from Papa Lock. Let's take it apart and see what we got on the inside. Hopefully it won't explode on me. Okay, let's go with that one. And, oh, the key. We'll need the key here. Looks like it comes with a couple of keys. That. Alright, we got 5 pins. Out. Let's see what number 1 looks like. Number 1 is a standard key pin. Number 2 looks like a custom serrated pin. Some serrations on there. 3 is a somewhat of a spooled key pin. Number 4, nice looking deep serrations, deep wide serrations. And then number 5, similar to number 3. Alright, let's see what we got here for driver pins. So number 1. let's see if I can get these arranged here. Well, they're arranged like they came out. Hopefully they went back in initially the same way that Papa Lock intended them, if someone else gutted. Alright. There you can see kind of most of the pins have been customized except key pin number 1. So I think one thing, so this lock wasn't, it didn't take much time to open, but I don't think that's due to the work and hard work that went into making these pins. I think it's just that sometimes you can do a good bit inside of a lock or with the pins. You feel like you're making them more challenging, but sometimes it can actually just make it a little easier to unlock. And I think that's probably what happened here. More so probably with the pin arrangements maybe than anything else, because these are some really good looking pins. But overall, I mean, it was a good lock to pick, and it was fun to do. So thanks for sharing, and I'll pass it along to the next person.